Assalamu alaikum. In today's episode, I would like to begin and conclude my brief talk on Iran's economy with the recitation from the work of a great poet Maulana Rumi, who had said, Ahmad zidaram doshe bute zamzama saze, sar taba qadam gharate hoshe hamanaze. हर लहजा बशकला बुते अय्यार बरामद दिल बुर्दन आशो हर दम बलिबासे दिगारा यार बरामद गह पीर जमाशो खुद कूजा व खुद कूजागर व खुद गिले कूजा खुद रिंद सबूकश खुद बरसरिया कूजा खरीदार बरामद बिशकस्त रमाशो. The President of Iran, Mr. Hassan Rouhani, appeared before his country's parliament or Majlis yesterday. It was first time that he had been summoned by parliament to answer certain questions that his country's legislators had raised with regard to worsening economic conditions in Iran. Unfortunately, however, President Rouhani failed to satisfy them. It's also ironic that while President Rouhani acknowledges or admits some problems, he refuses to recognize or describe the situation as an economic crisis. President Rouhani has also been facing criticism for failing to do any meaningful thing to deal with the challenges of rising inflation and unemployment in his country. He is also facing criticism for squandering the foreign investment opportunities that the 2015 nuclear deal had thrown up for Iran. He is also being criticized for not coming up with any roadmap whatsoever ahead of the second phase of US sanctions on his country, which will begin in November, and these sanctions will certainly hit Iran's crude exports. In the meanwhile, President Rouhani has been urging the remaining signatories to the nuclear deal to act to save the pact. He has also moved the United Nations Court, urging it to suspend US's nuclear-related economic sanctions on Iran. But US has challenged the court's jurisdiction to deal with this issue. So the situation is really very bad for the Iranian people. नए नए के हमी बूद के भी आमद मी रफ्त हर कर्न के दीजे ता आकबता शक्ले अरबार बरामद दाराए जायश दाराए जहां शुद नए नए के हम बूद के मी गुफ्त अनल हक दर सूरत मंसूर नबूदा के बरादार बरामद नादा बागुमाशो रूमी सुखन कुफ्र न गुफ्तस्त न गोयत मुनकिर मशवदा थैंक यू वेरी मच. मेरा नाम सरफराज अहमद है. मेरा ताल्लुक कराची से. माय नेम इज सरफराज. आई एम फ्रॉम कराची. मिनिया जबू सरफराज अहमद या रबोदे दे गेजेता इकोनॉमिका कराची पाकिस्तान. अना सरफराज अहमद नायब रईस तहरीर फी जरीदतुल इक्तिसादिया कराची पाकिस्तान. जिंदाबाद.